Welcome, King Goy, back again after almost 1 year. Haven't been posting or really creating much content. As you know, life gets in the way of things. I've also had a baby, so that doesn't help much with the time schedule. But we have an update on our granadilla vine. Check this out. So after a good couple months of not doing much to this, I actually haven't even been here for a couple months. This thing just took care of itself. Start of the vine was somewhere down there. Some snails got to it in between. But for the most part, we got rid of them. There's a little box over there, the bait box for the snails. And if you can see it, the purple one. Yeah, that's like a environmentally friendly, organic way of dealing with the snails, apparently. But look, most of the vine has fruit on it. 3 over there in a cluster. And yeah, so only after I started adding more of these like bends to it and actually hooking them on, because this was technically just growing wild, like it was shooting out over the top there, almost hitting the gutter. So I sort of had to kind of retrain them again because it wasn't really doing what I wanted it to do in terms of the growth pattern. So I just put it back this way because I actually want this whole thing to be covered. So that was the plan initially. But yeah, so I think in a few weeks you should see a lot more growth here, because I'm also now back here to look after them and take care of them again. So that's good news. Hey, little baby boy. He's admiring the fruit. And then I think for the next video, we'll see what the garden is going to look like for the weed grow. Again, haven't been doing anything to this garden besides letting it do its thing. So stay tuned for the next video, because I think that is the one where we're going to show you what we plan on doing for this season of growing. So if you haven't already, please like and subscribe.